Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is the review of the all new Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro. Now, as you guys already know, I was lucky enough to get invited at the Oppo Reno 10 series launch event where they have released the Oppo Reno 10 series with this amazing pair of earbuds. And since the launch event, I am using it on my daily basis. Now, it's been about a month or so I thought to share my experience, my user experience of using this device. Now, before starting the video, I just want to share that this is not a paid review. Oppo has sent me this pair of earbuds, yes, but they have didn't pay me to make this review, and it's not a contract or nothing sort of that. I just love tech, so I'm sharing my love for tech and the user experience so you guys can choose the best tech possible for you. And now let's get started and let me tell you if this worth your money or not. The case itself has a premium feel to it and it's small enough to fit comfortably in your pocket. The earbuds have a minimalist design and fit snugly in my ear. Now let's talk about the sound quality. I must say I was thoroughly impressed. The sound is rich, clear and immersive. The Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro comes with Oppo Alive Audio, spatial theater-like sound which enhances the listening experience to a whole new level. The Golden Sound 2.0 and the frequency compensation features tailors the sound to your preferences, making every genre of music sound fantastic. The active noise cancellation on these earbuds is nothing sort of incredible. Whether you are on a crowded bus or a noisy cafe, the Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro has got you covered. Gamers, this one for you. The Enco Air 3 Pro features flagship level ultra low latency with Bluetooth 5.3, leveling up your gaming experience. I tested it with several mobile games and there's no noticeable lag whatsoever. This is a big win for mobile gamers who demand precision and speed. To sum it all up, the Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro is an outstanding pair of TWS. The rich sound quality, effective noise cancellation and the long battery life makes it an essential part of my daily routine. So I can say that if you are an audiophile or a gamer on the go, this earbuds worth considering. And that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. If you guys have any question regarding this pair of earbuds, just let me know in the comment section down below. Also, I have just reviewed the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus. That video is somewhere up there on the I button. Watch that video as well. And if you guys have any question, just let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.